Hello everybody, welcome and welcome back to my crochet creative studio. I hope you had a beautiful holiday time spending with your friends, with your families, with your loved ones, and maybe when you opened your gifts you found some skeins in the boxes. And now I would like to invite you to crochet with me from the skeins Papatia Confetti. Papatia Confetti is the yarn with 100 grams in one ball and 185 meters in one ball. And I have two skeins prepared, and I already designed the shawl with the relief pattern, with the front post double crochet stitches and the puff stitches, and I counted the number of stitches, the rows, and everything is now perfect and prepared for you, so you can start crochet with me. And if you have the similar yarn, this is the premium acrylic yarn, you can start to create the shawl with me. So look at the skeins. The skein has two threads together. One is white and one is colorful, and the color of the second thread is changing. So you can see the gray, light gray, dark gray, beige, and also the old pink color in the skein. The colors are beautiful. This one is skein is it's number 03. Is not very colorful, but if you look at the Papatia Confetti skeins, there you will find so many very colorful and cheerful colors, so you can choose any color you like and crochet with me, or you can choose any other skein you love and try the pattern, my new design. And look at it. It's the shawl crocheted from the corner, starting here, and then the number of stitches is increasing, and there are the corners. So when you increase the number of stitches in the row on this side, then you will start after 1, 2, 3, 4 rows a little bit farther from the corner, so it will create the corners like this, and the scarf will increase slowly and also curve, so you can wear it around the neck, which is absolutely perfect. So I will prepare the video tutorial for this pattern, and you can prepare the skeins, the crochet hooks, and we will start this week on Sunday. Okay, so if you will have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. You can put the comment right below this video. You can reach me on my Facebook page, Pinterest, and Instagram as well. I'm really looking forward to crocheting with you. Thank you very much for watching, and happy crocheting! Bye!